Hi, I'm Shannon Rollins with Shannon Rollins Real Estate, and today I want to talk about home renovation projects you should not do. There are some home renovation projects, that may actually hurt the value of your home, or at a minimum, that you're not going to return the investment that you put into it. Ornate light fixtures can be beautiful and add a touch of luxury. However, they can be very buyer taste specific. Good lighting is essential, but it's better to keep it simple and functional rather than luxurious, lavish, and expensive. Another renovation trend you may not want to do is painting your walls bright colors. You might see this trending in the magazines, but it sometimes takes years for those trends to trickle across the US. It might start happening quickly in places like New York and LA, but in our area, it might take a little bit longer. A bathroom renovation certainly adds value to your home, but it can be easy to overdo it. A very personalized, luxurious bathroom can be a turnoff for some buyers. And if you have one of the over-the-top whirlpool tubs that's difficult to get in and out of or difficult to clean, that could definitely turn off buyers. It's better to keep it simple and functional with a walk-in shower and a rainfall shower head to add that touch of luxury. Eliminating a bedroom, combining two bedrooms to make one big bedroom, or turning a bedroom into an office and eliminating the closet could actually hurt the value of your home. Now, this might sound like a good idea to empty nesters or couples without children, but it really can hurt the value of your home. Small bedrooms can even add value rather than not having a bedroom at all. The last renovation trend to avoid is doing a high-end kitchen renovation. A high-end kitchen renovation costs more to invest to do that than you will recover when you sell the home. It's better to instead focus on those outdated portions of your home or those things that are worn and replace those items in the home to make it be up to speed for today's selling market. If you're thinking about doing some renovation projects, give me a call. My team and I are on standby 7 days a week to help you take the smoother road to sold.